Hello everyone, this is an unboxing video for the Western Digital USB to SATA adapter with PCB number 810012. Let's unbox it. Inside are the adapter, the USB to SATA adapter, and the two screws to fix this SATA adapter to the USB hard drive. Okay? Let me get the two screws out. So here are the two screws. Here is the USB to SATA adapter. Let's check the adapter. Okay. We just put the screws here. This is one USB PCB. For example, let's consider it as one USB hard drive. We just here install like this one. Okay, so we convert easily the USB interface to SATA. This is a SATA. You know, for Western Digital SMR USB hard drives, it has the SED knock and MCU knock. So when the pensioned Western Digital SMR hard drives have bad sectors, firmware corruption, or suffer physical failure, and it's better users convert the USB interface to SATA to repair the firmware corruption or image the pension drive, and the data transfer will be more stable. Okay, so this one is very helpful and very easy to use. And this adapter is used by data recovery engineers worldwide, and it's trusted a lot. Well, let's say which models, which drives are using this PCB number. Let's go to the computer and see. Okay, here we can see 810012. So these two models are using, these two models are using this PCB number 810012. We can see the family is Spyglass or Spyglass 2. And users can come here to buy this very good USB to SATA adapter to work with the data recovery cases with this PCB number. Okay, so we convert the USB to SATA by this adapter easily with this one. Okay, with this adapter. Let's put it back. Okay, thank you for watching the unboxing video.